This question is asked in Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta. Lead code 39, combination sum. This is very popular and standard problem asked in different ways in different companies. Okay, so basically we have given distinct array and we have given target. Okay, and we need to calculate this all possible ways where we can reach this target. And the thing is, you can repeat the integer or any candidate. So here, let's say we have given target 7. So there are two possibilities. One is this 7, which we can return as a lone, which will equal to target. Another thing is 2, 2, then 3, 2, 2, 3, which will again summation will be equal to 7, which is target. So in this way, we can do here the 2 is repeated multiple times. So that's the place in this type of problem you see pattern help. So this problem fully depend on recursion and backtracking. What recursion, how recursion helps here is what, like we need to keep moving. Basically we need to consider one element and we need to skip another one. Okay, so for that the recursive approach helps. And backtracking is if we just keep adding same element multiple times and we reach to the place that will never reach to the target, then we need to revert back. So that's the backtracking. So here you can see that this is the like initial list where it's empty and target is 5. Then we consider take 2. So this is our candidate details. Okay, so now we have 2. So now in list we take 2, then again 2, then this becomes this, and then this 6. Now here what will happen, target, if you see, it's a 6 and target is 5, so it will never reach. So this is stopped. But where it will reach, that this is the place where it will eventually reach. So let's take 2, then skip 2, it means take 3, and that's the value 2, 3 will work, right? But again here in this case where we'll skip 2, again we'll consider 3 and all, but eventually it will not reach there. So this is the right answer in this case. Pseudocode, and this is very interesting and you can solve a lot of problem using this particular snippet. Okay, so in this type of problem, the first thing is you need to figure out the base condition. So here what happened, let's say we are keep decrementing our target based on the selecting candidate. So there is one possibility that when target will be 0, and that's the place we can add that list in our final answer and then return. The next base condition will be if, let's say, our index which we are iterating, maybe we reach to the last position, then there is no possibility to proceed. And another possibility is target even less than 0, the previous which we see in the example, then again it will be returned. These are the two, and this is the real case where the backtracking will really come. Okay, so let's see here. So there are two possibilities. One is reuse the current element, and second possibility is move next. Okay, so here what we are doing, we're considering the current element and then we just subtracting our target and again using same index, and again recursion call will happen. Okay, and the place this backtracking will happen, this will be going to be introduced and it will remove that the last list element, because let's say 2, 2, 2, and we know that this is greater than 5, which is target, then we need to remove this and consider let's say 3 or something. This is in case of when we take the same element and you reuse multiple times. So now next thing is when we skip the current element and move to the next. So that time this recursion call will happen where a target minus index element, which is the +1, then list and increase the index position as well. So we need to move forward.